Hey everyone, in this video we're going to compare two of the best air fryers on the market. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer. We'll look at each product's features and performance to help you decide which one is right for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Both the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer offer multiple cooking options, including air fry, roast, bake, and grill. However, the Ninja Oven has a better range of functions including bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer has 8 pre-programmed cooking functions, including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. It also comes with a basket divider accessory that allows you to cook 2 meals at once. Overall, the Ninja Oven has more functionalities, whereas the GoWISE USA Air Fryer is more compact and easy to use. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer both use rapid air technology to cook food evenly and quickly with little to no oil. But the Ninja Oven has a higher wattage motor, which allows it to cook up to 60% faster than a traditional oven. The Ninja Oven also has a larger cooking capacity, making it better for cooking full meals. On the other hand, the GoWISE USA Air Fryer has a wide temperature range and a timer for up to 30 minutes, making it perfect for cooking quick snacks and appetizers. It also has a start-stop button that allows you to change your program mid-cycle, and a built-in alarm function to remind you to shake your ingredients. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven has a sleek and modern design with a digital display and touch controls. It takes up more counter space but offers a flip-up option to store it against your kitchen backsplash when not in use. It comes with a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. The GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer also has a modern touchscreen design with advanced menu options. It's more compact, making it easier to store, and comes with a recipe book. However, it doesn't have a built-in storage option for accessories and has a smaller cooking capacity than the Ninja Oven. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is priced at $149, while the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer costs only $73. Although the Ninja Oven has more functionalities, it comes with a higher price tag. The GoWISE USA Air Fryer might be a better choice for someone who wants an affordable air fryer with essential features and accessories. So there you have it, guys. Our review and comparison of the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the GoWISE USA Digital Air Fryer. Both products have their advantages and disadvantages. If you want an air fryer with more functionalities and a larger cooking capacity, the Ninja Oven might be a better option for you. However, if you're looking for an affordable air fryer with essential features and accessories, the GoWISE USA Air Fryer is a great choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. We'll see you in the next video.